Yeah. It is, yeah. Especially in this like damp, it can be. All right guys, so the first step is we're gonna clean up the C-cup area right here and around the ear. Really clean up our taper. I'm gonna pull the ear and use the corner of my blade. To the other side over here from the front. I'm gonna locate here, the top of the temple peak area. Then I'm gonna go down over here. I'm gonna tilt my trimmer on this side and use the corner. Now I'm gonna use a soft trimmer, which this trimmer is not zero gap. I'm gonna go about a finger here. This is like his sideburn area. I'm gonna go a finger. Remove the bulk. The lever open now. I'm gonna go a finger above. Now this is a finger with the lever open. This is a half. So how we're gonna blend this, we're gonna go closed to open. Closing it, we're gonna hit the beginning of the line here, then we're gonna go in the middle, hit it in the middle, and then go open and hit it all the way through. So this is closed here. I like these clippers because you can hear the noise. You can hear when it's cutting. I'm going in the middle, then I'm gonna open it all the way and flick up a little bit, flick up, flick up. The one guard now, lever open. Gonna flick up. We're going a finger above again as well. You guys see that line right there? This is a two-step process. So first closed to open with the one guard, and then we're going closed to open with the 0.5 guard, which is the half guard. So my lever's closed, I'm tapping, then going middle, and then all the way open. Now with the half guard, let's close the lever and go almost towards that end of the half guard lever open. The lever open all the way over here. And we're gonna go in the middle, hit the guideline in the middle. And we're gonna open it all the way. When it's open all the way, you don't wanna go all the way up. You're just kind of just flicking up, flicking up. Sometimes it might be quicker, and sometimes depending on how you've been flicking, that's how fast you guys can blend. Let's repeat the same steps with the 2 guard lever open. We're gonna go a finger above what we just finished blending. So if you guys can see the pattern, we go with 1 number, lever open, then we soften it, and then we go with the number below that. And close it. The 1.5 guard, let's go closed. Hit this line right here, the middle, and then open. Same concept. So to line up the back of the neck, we're gonna first start here, do our first reference point here. Second reference point is going to be here. I'm going to pull the ear. Then we want to connect this in the middle.